If you want to keep your screen private while using AnyDesk, then this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to enable AnyDesk privacy mode step by step, so you can hide your remote screen during a session and keep your work protected. This is especially useful if you're helping someone remotely, accessing a work computer, or just want extra privacy while sharing your device. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open AnyDesk on the computer you want to keep private. Give it a moment to load fully, because some settings won't appear properly until the app is completely open. Once AnyDesk is running, look at the top right corner and click the menu icon. From there, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. Depending on the version of AnyDesk you're using, the privacy options may be listed a little differently, but the goal is the same. You want to review the settings related to screen privacy and session visibility. If you see an option for Enable Privacy Mode, this is the one you'll want to use. Some versions may also offer a blur effect for the screen, so if that feature is available, you can adjust the blur level to match your preference. After making your selection, save the changes. If the settings are locked, don't worry, just go to Permissions or Security Settings and click Unlock. You may need to approve an administrator prompt before you can continue. This is a normal step, especially on devices with stronger security restrictions. Once the settings are unlocked, turn on privacy mode and confirm that it is enabled. At this point, the computer should be set up to hide the remote screen during an active session. That means when someone connects, the display can be blacked out or hidden, depending on your AnyDesk version and configuration. This is the key step that helps protect what's happening on the screen while the remote connection is active. Now let's go a step further and enable it during a live session too. Start a remote session the usual way by connecting to the other device or allowing someone to connect to yours. Once the session begins, open the session toolbar. In that toolbar, look for Actions or Session Settings. Inside that menu, select Enable Privacy Mode. As soon as you turn it on, the remote screen should now be hidden or blacked out. This is useful if you need to work on a private task while still maintaining control of the session. It also gives you a cleaner way to protect sensitive information from being viewed on screen. If you don't see the option right away, double check that you're using a version of AnyDesk that supports privacy mode and make sure the session permissions are properly enabled. Sometimes the feature may be limited by device settings, user permissions, or the version of the software you're running. If needed, restart AnyDesk and try again after confirming the privacy settings. So to quickly recap, you open AnyDesk, go into Settings, find Privacy or Security options, unlock the settings if needed, enable privacy mode, and then activate it during your remote session from the toolbar. Once it's on, your remote screen should be hidden or blacked out for better privacy. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more clear and simple software tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.